In this video, I will build a fully automated trading system by using Gemini AI. Here on screen, you can see I have opened the Gemini AI. You have to select this 3.1 Pro Advanced Math and Code. Okay, so here you need to write the prompt, exact this same prompt. I already have written this one. I want to create a trading board strategy plan based on the order block advanced system. So first of all, we will make a plan. We will make entry and exit rules to open buy, when to open a sell, and when to exit, a fully detailed plan, and then we will implement that plan. If you want the exact same results, you have to write the same prompt. Simply click submit, and now it will do proper deep research around the internet and look for the best option should be implemented with order block strategy. So after reading this plan, I can confirm that this plan is very good. You can pause the video and read this plan as well. And now I will simply copy and paste into, let me copy this one, okay, from here, and that's it. Okay, Control C. I will press Control C, open Gemini in a new tab. From Pro I will complex, advanced, and here from I will select canvas. For copy pasting the final strategy prompt, I have to write this one. Now here I will write, you are an MQL5 developer to develop EA for MT5. You must not mix MQL4 syntax. Most of the time, the AI can mix the MQL4 syntaxes into the MQL5. By this way, it may produce errors at the compilation time. So I will simply Control V the whole prompt and then submit. And now let's see. Finally, we have the source code of MT5 EA, and here you can see in this box full of code. We can edit or make changes in this code here directly. I can write anything here and it will be saved directly into this code, or I can write here any prompt to make changes in this code. So in the next step, we have to open the MetaTrader 5 to compile this code. I will simply open the MetaTrader 5, which is already installed on my PC. If you don't know how to install, you can watch this video. And here I have to go to the tools and Meta Code Language Editor, click on it. This one is our lost project, and here I have to create a new project. Here on the experts, I have to right click and then create new folder, and the folder's name must be the name of the EA. Control V, the advanced ICT order block board, press enter, then right click on this folder. I will create new file, not a project. I will simply click on it, and here I will select just the first option, expert advisor template, next, and here I have to write the name of the file. This is the folder name. In the expert folder, we have an advanced ICT order block board folder, and inside this folder we have this EA file, the author, the copyright link, and then click next, next, and finish. That's it. Once we reach here, I will simply remove everything from this file and we have no code in it. After that, go back to the Gemini, just written here. Simply Control A, Control C, go to the meta editor, Control V. And here at the moment we have 413 lines of code. I will select here style your source code. Once I click on it, now we have the real number of lines, 509 lines. Then I click compile, and great, there is no error, there is no warning. We just simply create a trading board based on order block and finish the compilation process. Now we have finally a working EA in our MetaTrader 5. So now I will go to the MT5, and from here I will just close this one. From the navigator window, I will select view and navigator. Here I have the advanced ICT order block board, and here it is. I will right click on it and click on test. It will open this board in the strategy tester, and then move to the input setting to set the inputs of the EA. First of all, we have time frame settings. The higher time frame is 1 hour, and the lower time frame entry confirmation is 5 minutes, risk per trade 1%, and move SL to break even 1 by 1, volume spikes, and the limit order execution, trade breaker blocks on OB files. So once we have completed completed this code, we can give a command to Gemini to write a detailed PDF description for each input settings, how each input setting is working. I will set it to false, so it must open a trade. And once I just finish the settings and then I need to click on the start button, it will open a new window like here, the strategy realization. And here it just opened a single trade with a profit, but this is not the proper way of working. I just need to go back here to the Gemini and right here, this section is very important. Simply I will enter the submit and it will make a plan and then implement it. So finally it just write the next version 1.01, and now we just need to simply select all, Control C, go to the metadata, and here before updating the code we have to note the number of lines, 509 number of lines. I will press Ctrl A, select all. Here I will delete everything, then Ctrl V, paste the new file, click on this code styler, and then note the number of total lines. Now we have 617 number of lines, and hit the compile button. There are no errors, no warnings. Then simply go to the metadata 5. So here it just added two more settings like draw object recent and print details. The purpose of this video was to understand exactly how you can use Gemini AI to write the code, how and where to compile the code, and how to test in the backtester. And now you can start it on your own PC and you can continue giving the prompt and improving more and more steps. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.